IAS Academy. So here once again I have come up with a very unique video. What is this? I'm going to explain you some of a very important concept which you can include in your education related questions. And then you can remember this as a term which is coming in news also, recently coming in news. So basically I am talking about NIPUN, Nipun Bharat. Nipun Bharat. Nipun Bharat, if you have gone through your newspapers and PIB news analysis, you will know about this Nipun Bharat. What is this Nipun Bharat telling about? Nipun is a national initiative for proficiency, understanding and numeracy in India. So it is a national initiative for getting the proficiency, understanding the subject and improving the numeracy, and then the it is the improvement of your numerical data and numerical understanding. So Nipun Bharat is an initiative. So when such initiatives are coming in use, this 3-tier strategy should be there for your prelims to understand. What is this 3-tier strategy? First of all, know that who is implementing that one. Who is implementing? Department of School Education and then Literacy. Okay, who is implementing? Implemented by Department of School Education and Literacy. Vision, basically. Now we have to go about the vision. The vision of Nipun Bharat is that getting universal acquisition of literacy. What is that? Universal acquisition of literacy and numeracy, and ensure that an environment of learning new skills is been updated and is been learned up to grade 3. So it is basically aiming to improve the universal acquisition of the literacy and numeracy by grade 3. By 3rd standard, you should be able to have that logical thinking, basic logical thinking, proficiency in reading, writing, recognizing the words and then putting out and reciting it. So basically, until you reach your grade 3, all this proficiency and numeracy should be there. And it should be achieved by 2026 to 2027. So this is the vision of Nipun scheme. And then, how it is implemented? Implementation is of 5-tier. That is national, state, district, block schools. National, state, district, block and school level. So the implementation happens in this 5-tier system. This is how implementation is happening. And then we are making the students, we are making the children eligible to read and write with proficient and numeracy. Numeracy should be increased until grade 3 by 2026 and 2027. So this is a very landmark initiative taken by the government of India in improving the literacy rate, the numeracy rate in the children's. So this is the scheme which I was talking about, Nipun scheme. Keep it in mind. And this is the 3-tier simple kind of short notes which you can make for every initiative like this. And so for such interesting videos, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel, Believers IAS Academy, and you can follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and you can call upon our number 9611321616 for further information about UPSC preparation, interview guidance, foundational courses, etc. And thank you so much for watching my video, and try to implement that 3-tier strategy in writing any short notes for prelims. So these are the prelims bit which we are taking up for the revision. Thank you.